you know that cats can make over 100 different sounds? That's right, your cat isn't just meowing, it has a whole secret language. Cats use purrs, chirps, trills, hisses, growls, and many different types of meows to express how they feel. Some cats chirp when they see birds outside the window, almost like they're frustrated little hunters. Others trill as a friendly greeting when they see their favorite human. Even purring doesn't always mean happiness. Sometimes cats purr when they're nervous or trying to comfort themselves. So the next time your cat makes a weird little sound, pay attention. It might be trying to tell you something important. Subscribe!